Say happy 4th of July, Munchkin.
Alright, I'm back.
Yeah. Let's go light the rest of the
got
fireworks.
Little poppets, guys.
Yeah. Do 3 of them at the same time. Let me switch the camera.
So how do I use this?
You light it up and it says to stand
Where do
back
I light it?
on the top. Just take the wrapping off of it. Go, go, go. It's small.
I don't trust you sometimes. You do dumb.
Take the poppets out of there. Because he has another explosives there.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be bad.
Like all the stuff, you take it out.
I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna put it right there to safer. Then if it shoots up.
No, not under the tree. Not more under the tree. That's what I'm saying. No, you have it more under the tree. That's what I'm saying this way. Because there's nothing on the top. Abin, how can we see it? You're just putting it under the tree where it's bound to happen. A whole tree fire because of you. Can you just put it here, please?
Let's listen to some of the album. Let's fuck up.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, just light it up and run away. It comes like that.
I don't want to get in trouble.
I'm kind of scared, so
Yeah, because it's not a good idea.
I don't know if it's gonna like run away or something. Alvin. Whoa! Whoa! Finally! Woo! Alvin. Okay. Whoa. I just hope the table doesn't explode into a million pieces. Yo! Alvin. The baby didn't like it. Hold the camera because we're not doing that again.
No, but you saw the guy's firework? Like, it went up.
Yes. We're not doing that again.
Alright, that's it. No more.
Okay. How about you leave it there to cool off?
Yeah. They're right there. It's hot.
Guys, we're going back. Sorry, because there's bugs out here. Come on.
I was
put the
actually,
table back. Huh?
I was actually having fun.
That was fun.
Yeah.
That was fun?
Yeah.
He got scared. Guys, we came back inside because I needed to drink something. So we're going to do something else. Because I only got 3 of them because I never did it. So I just wanted to see how it was. And see how the baby can look at it. He got scared. So we're going to light both of them up at the same time. Alvin's just unwrapping them. You see? You be careful. Look, these are short stacks, but they were worth the money.
How much was they?
$1.
$1, guys.
What does that sound?
That's the dog, bro. That's the dog. Is this okay?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You just take the top part off. Okay, close the door behind me. So we're gonna be here with the baby. And we're gonna see it from here. Alvin, come run over here. Come. Alvin, come here, you idiot. Alvin.
Bro, alright. It's not
The baby can't see.
See, look, it's not even that small.
Yeah, and then the surprise like last time. The baby, he didn't like it. Oh. No more?
That's the last one.
I know. Thank God. I saw one all the way in the distance. Look, Bebe, the fireworks. Look, it's okay. Oh. Another surprise. He doesn't like it. The baby was so cute. You saw that? He was screaming.
He didn't like it?
No. You should probably light that over there as well.
I know.
Over there, Alvin, not here.
Calm down, damn.
I am calm, but you know that sprinkles everywhere. Look, they're doing it too over there.
Oh, shoot.
Look, Bebe, look.
I want to sit and watch.
Alvin, I'm gonna go inside because he doesn't like it. He's getting scared. Well, I'm gonna go inside.
Alright.
Open the door. I'm gonna open it then.
This light is stuff.
Thanks. Speaking of one. Well, guys, that is gonna conclude, and we're gonna finish off the rest of our video. Okay, it's late. The baby got scared. I just wanted to see his reaction and how he likes the fireworks, but he got scared. Alvin and I have fun. We're probably gonna get more fireworks next year. Something small like that, not something that's like dangerous. Yeah. So I'm gonna get him a bath and we're gonna go to bed, okay? And eat our burgers, obviously. So you're gonna say bye?
Yeah.
Bye, ASG fam.
Peace.
Peace.